Right, so just for a bit of fun, I've got the little Bergara 22LR out, and I've just checked the zero on it. It seems to be shooting lovely today. I've put a 22 rimfire case out on the top of the target pole, and I'm going to see if I can knock it over at 50 metres. So you can just about see it glinting away there on the top of the post. And I've stuck that on there with a bit of cow shit, so hopefully it shouldn't fall off if the round just goes close to it. Right. Just next to it. There we go. 50 metres. I've just put a target down by the pond there at 400 yards roughly, about 370 metres. So I've just pinged the area around it because I couldn't get a range off of the rangefinder on against the water, because the target's sort of in front of the water there. It's just on the bank. But I'll never go at that with a 22LR. So I've taken it out to about 300 yards before, but I'm intrigued to see if I can walk a shot onto that at nearer 400. I've pinged it with a Helix rangefinder, and that's come back with a correction of 67 MOA or 67.25, somewhere about there. So I've dialed that in, so I'm just going to have a couple of shots and just see if I can walk it on to that target. Well, I had a few shots there, and I'm fairly confident one of those hit it, because I could see the splashes from every shot I took, but there was one where I didn't see a splash. I couldn't hear anything, but it's a long way, and a 2.2 doesn't make much of a ring on steel, so we'll drive down and have a look and see if we actually managed to drop one on the target. Well, there's never a few more shots, but annoyingly the sheep have all moved in all around the pond here. But yes, there we go. We do indeed have a single hit. But if that's anything to go by, I may well have just been skimming just over the top with a couple of those shots, but yeah, nonetheless, a hit is a hit.